Reminiscent of the nearby ocean, Otsu House by Base Building Concepts emerges as a refreshing and timeless exploration of texture, material, and light. The site's distinct geographical positioning called for a design language that honors its surroundings rather than competing with them. By embracing a pared-back and neutral color palette, the designer successfully filled the internal spaces with an inviting warmth and a deeply reflective character. Proximity to the beach was not just a visual inspiration, but a structural challenge that heavily influenced the project's evolution. Designing a home so close to the ocean required a rigorous selection process to ensure the building could gracefully withstand the local climate. The chosen palette and elements had to be both aesthetically nuanced and exceptionally enduring, capable of surviving a harsh and unpredictable marine environment over time. Central to this resilient yet sophisticated design philosophy was a purposeful material selection that defines the narrative of the interior spaces. Rather than relying on superficial decoration, the design team focused on how raw finishes could bring the home to life. By prioritizing the intrinsic qualities of the materials, they established a continuous dialogue between the building's structural bones and the natural elements outside. A defining characteristic of this approach is the heavy integration of rock-cut Japanese Otsumagaki throughout the home. This traditional clay finish acts as a significant, tactile connection to the beachfront, bridging the gap between the coastal landscape and the interior sanctuary. The material was chosen specifically for its subtle nature and its unique ability to interact dynamically with changing daylight. Rather than becoming overbearing or washing out under direct sunlight, the Japanese clay reveals its true character when catching side light, giving off a soft and sophisticated luster. This textured finish brings a distinctive sheen and an incredible attention to detail to the surfaces. It introduces an organic warmth to the home, achieving a cozy, lived-in feel despite being a raw, substantial product. In harmony with the clay, concrete serves as another fundamental pillar of the home's palette, yielding architecturally pleasing results. Beyond its undeniable aesthetic contribution, the concrete elements provide vital functional benefits to the living experience. Acting as a robust thermal barrier, the material helps regulate internal temperatures against the coastal weather while simultaneously offering excellent acoustic benefits. This heavy construction creates an exceptionally quiet and peaceful environment, effectively canceling out the transmission of noise between different levels of the home. The sense of tranquility is further anchored by integrating concrete into central structural features, such as a curved bench, This repetition of material reinforces the natural, neutral color scheme that binds the entire family residence together. Movement through the home is dictated by soft, organic geometries, beginning with an enticing sculptural staircase that greets occupants upon entry. The curved structure naturally draws the eye inward and upward, mirroring the fluid motion of ocean waves. These curved architectural features are deliberately continued throughout various zones of the layout, creating a cohesive visual rhythm that contrasts beautifully with sharper, geometric tiling details. Finally, the architectural layout utilizes an open courtyard space that functions as a vital light well for the ground floor. This design choice establishes a strong visual connection between disparate areas while maximizing natural ventilation. When the pavilion doors are thrown open, ocean breezes flow freely through the core of the house, casting dancing shadows and breathing movement into the soft linen curtains. This delicate interplay of fabric, light, and raw concrete perfectly encapsulates the sophisticated, balanced spirit of the home.